How to make extra 200 a week. You must have heard about the payday installment loans. These are the loans which can be acquired by the borrowers for fulfilling their urgent cash demands before their payday. Besides this, these loans are to be paid back in some installments to increase your ease. Therefore, the lenders claim so many benefits of these loans to the borrowers of all types. But are these loans really beneficial? Is something hidden in these loans? Let us look into the details of these loans and then decide upon the points on which care should be taken by each borrower. To acquire the payday installment loans, the borrowers have to apply on the internet. So they need to have a little bit knowledge about this technology, otherwise anyone may come and cheat him. Well, as they log onto the internet, they are to apply for these loans on the site of the lender, which satisfies your all needs without any kind of trouble. You are to fill a single online form for this. Next, the lender will proceed on and approve your loan within few hours. So here you should take care for the dealing over the internet, because plenty of lenders are available with such loans. So the selection should be done carefully. The basic terms of these loans are the rate of interest and the repayment schedule. All such terms are decided beforehand. So while setting these terms, you must take proper care. In most of the cases, the interest rate is charged at a higher rate. The reason is the unsecured form of these loans. You are not required to pledge any asset for getting these loans. But still, if you compare some quotes online, you may find some lenders with reasonable charges. Then the repayment schedule should be decided upon only on the basis of your monthly savings. The lenders will obviously consider the same. But you should also be careful while agreeing upon these terms. Else any kind of default in future may take you to a great trouble. Therefore, you should be careful while applying for these loans.